Rachel, sorry about this morning. I tried to get you out of here.
That's okay, Judge.
I ain't got the $50.
They're gonna bring it back again in 3 days. Bring it back in 3 days.
Had the two time,
Huh?
time 30.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, so is it like that with everyone? Let's say if I don't bond out, because they lowered mine to 350, so I get out to 35. So let's say I don't get out, they'll bring me back in 3 days.
I'll be doing my time in the 50, right?
Yeah.
All right, is it Randy Rivas? Teresa, are we ready?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Rivas up front, guys.
No.
All right, 653-135, State of Texas versus Randy Rivas. Are you Randy Rivas?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Would you raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Mr. Rivas. You can lower your hand. Mr. Rivas, is it okay with you, sir, that we proceed by video conference?
It's fine with me.
Thank you, Mr. Rivas. You are charged with the offense of criminal mischief, 750 to 2,500. That is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Rivas, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Rivas, what that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Rivas, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Rivas, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes. Yes.
Do you also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Okay.
All right, but if you want to give them up, Mr. Rivas, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Rivas, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes.
Great, because these documents tell me, Mr. Rivas, that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Is that what you want to do?
I believe so. Yes.
All right, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Rivas, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. The first thing you need to understand, sir, is I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes, Mr. Rivas, will not be held against you. Do you understand? You understand, Mr. Rivas?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Rivas, do me a favor, listen up. The state's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
Yes, Judge. We've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Mr. Cox, that's the agreement?
That's
All right, Mr. Rivas, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Mr. Cox, does Mr. Rivas have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, Mr. Randy Rivas, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rivas, please tell me how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of criminal mischief, 750 to 2,500. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Mr. Rivas, you understand I could still find you guilty based on that plea?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead, Mr. Rivas?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Rivas. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of criminal mischief, 750 to 2,500, Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at $0 fine, the cost of court, and 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment in this case, Mr. Rivas, is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Rivas, this was a plea bargain. You have no right to appeal. Mr. Rivas, do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well when you get out, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you
You're
all.
welcome, sir.
All right.
Thanks,
My best
Cornelius.
to you, Judge. Thank you,
Yeah,
Judge.
good seeing you, brother. All right, Terry, that's it, right? For the,
That's
Clean
it
up.
for the regular docket, Judge. We can
All right.
excuse the
thanks,
CLO.
Alex Valverde and
Yeah.
Rachel.